Good morning, class. Today, 12th of January 2021. Again, we are here with our literature class. Okay, so as we are discussing chapter number 10, that is The Beggar. So, before we are going to end up this chapter, let us revise what had happened earlier. Advocate Sergi was detained by a beggar. One day, the beggar was crying to have pity on him. He said that he had nothing to eat. He had been a school teacher for 8 years, but now he lost his place. The beggar was in rags. He had dull and drunken eyes. He had the red spot on either of the two cheeks. He wore one high and one low shoes. Then Sergi recognized the beggar. He told him that he had met him in Sarvodaya Street. Then he called him himself a student. Sergi warned him that he would send for the police. The beggar admitted and told the truth. The beggar asked Sergi for work. Sergi asked the beggar to chop wood for him when he asked for the work. The beggar agreed to do that work, though unwillingly. The beggar was taken by Sergi's servant Olga to the shed. He had to chop woods there. Then Sergi could see Olga and the beggar in the shed. Olga gave the beggar an axe, but seeing the expression on his face, she scolded him. The beggar put a billet of wood between his feet, then it struck it feebly with his axe. The billet fell down. Meanwhile, Sergei went away. He had sent a drunken and spoiled man at work in the cold. He began to feel sorry, whatever he had done. Then Sergei found work for the beggar. The beggar would cut the wood on the first of every month. He would bring dust out of racks and mattresses. He would put the woodshed in order. Sergei moved into another house. The beggar packed and carried the whole furniture and shipped it to another house. Lashkov, the beggar, was now offered another employment. Sergei asked him to go to his friend's house. Then he would give him some copy work as he can able to write. Sergei was happy as he had put a man on the right path. 2 years went by. Then one evening, Sergei was standing on a ticket window and of a theater. He was paying for his seat. At that time, he saw a little man beside him. That man wore a curly fur and wore sealskin cap. Sergei recognized him and he asked him how he was. Lashkov told Sergei that he was a notary then and he was paid 35 rubles per month. Sergei was very pleased to hear him. So this much we have completed. In this way we can see that how the Sergei reformed a beggar into a good person, isn't it? He tried his best level to reform him, to change his life completely. Now we can proceed to page number 66. I request Divyanshi Taravat to read page number 66.
Thank heaven, that's fine. I'm delighted for your sake. I'm very, very glad, Lashkov. You see, you are my good son. In a sense, I gave you a push along the right path, you know. Do you remember water roasting I gave you? I nearly had you sinking into the ground at my feet that day. Thank you, old man, for not forgetting my words. Thank you too, said Lashkov. If I hadn't come to you, then I might still have been calling myself a teacher or a student to this day. Yes, by flying to your protection, I dragged myself out of a pit. I am very glad indeed. Thank you for your kind words and deeds. I am very grateful to you and to your cook. God bless that good and noble woman. You spoke finely then, and I shall be indebted to you to my dying day. But strictly speaking, it was your cook, Olga, who saved me. How is that? When
Thank you
I
so
used
much.
to come
Thank you so much, Divyanshi. Now the next paragraph, Ankit Kakani will going to read the next paragraph. You will end up the chapter. Okay. Ankit Kakani.
How is that when I used to come to your house to chop wood, she used to begin, "Oh, you
Read
thought
loudly.
you miserable creature, there's nothing for you but ruin." And then she would sit down opposite me, and Ground said, "Look into my face and weep. How you unlucky man. There is no pleasure
Pleasure.
for you in this world, and there will pleasure for you in this world, and there will be none in the world to come. You drunkard, you will." And so she could carry on you now in that strain. I can't tell you so how much misery she suffered, how many tears she shed for my sake. But the chief thing was she used to chop the wood for me. Do you know, sir, that I did not chop a single stick for wood for you? She did it all. Why this saved me, looking at the sight of her, I cannot explain. I know, I only know that owing to her words and noble deeds, a change took place in my heart. She set me right, and I shame to time to go now. There goes the bell. Lashkov bowed and departed to the.
Okay, thank you so much. Now in this paragraph, the author Anton, he tried to tell that Sergei was very glad after hearing that the Lashkov was getting working in a notary theater and earning 35 rubles per month. Okay, so he was glad and thanked God for reforming the beggar. He said that he considered Lashkov to be his godson because it was due to his scolding that he was a changed man. लश्कोव को एक अच्छा कामयाब इंसान देखते हुए सर्जे को बहुत खुशी हुई। उसे लगा कि उसने जब जब भी उसको डांटा वो उसकी अच्छाई के लिए या भलाई के लिए किया। That day the beggar had been at his feet asking for mercy. उसे याद उस दिन जब उससे की मुलाकात हुई थी बेगर से तो वो दया की भीख मांग रहा था। आज वो अपने पैरों पे स्वयं खड़ा है। He was glad that Lashkov did not forget his words. He did it. Whatever he had targeted, he did it. उसने जो टारगेट बनाया था, जो काम की थी लगन से, वो करके दिखाया। Lashkov thanked him also and said that he had not met Sergei that day, he would be still lying and begging. लश्कफ ने कहा अगर मैं उस दिन आपसे नहीं मिला होता तो अब तक मैं शायद वैसे ही झूठ बोला होता, वैसे ही बेगिंग किया होता। He came out of the pit with the help of the Sergei and was glad for his help. वो उस begging से बाहर आया because of Sergei. Sergei ने अपना हाथ बढ़ाया. He helped him, and because of him, now he was stand on his own feet. He thanked Sergei for his kindness. He was grateful to the cook also. लश्कफ ने कहा मैं बहुत आभारी हूं आपके कुक का. She was a very noble woman. बहुत अच्छी लेडी है. Although Sergei had been kind to him, it was Olga who saved him and reformed him. उसने बोला कि आपके कुक ने मेरे लाइफ को बहुत चेंज किया, बहुत ज्यादा. She plays a very vital role in my life. The beggar said that. She is a very humble, noble, and kind lady. He asked Sergei how he felt about the truth. Lashkov continued that when he would visit the place to chop wood, Olga would scold him every time. बोले जब मैं आपके यहाँ पे वुड चॉप लकड़ियां काटने आता था तो मुझे ओल्गा अक्सर डांटती थी, ये नहीं करना वो नहीं करना, लाइक दैट एवरी टाइम शी यूज्ड टू पॉइंटिंग मी, एवरी टाइम शी वुड फील सैड फॉर हिम एंड वेप्ट. यहाँ तक कि मुझे डांटने के साथ साथ उन्हें खुद को भी बहुत बुरा लगता था और रोने लग जाती थी. She would very sad for him and would chop all the wood for him. इतना नहीं, वो इतना कंसर्न थी मेरे बारे में कि कभी-कभी मेरी सारी लकड़ियां खुद ही काटती, खुद ही चॉप कर देती थी. She was very much caring for me, very much worried about me. Just her behavior changed him. The beggar said that. उनका behavior को देख के मैंने अपनी लाइफ को पूरा चेंज किया. At that time, the bell rang. Lashkov bowed to Sergei and left for the gallery of the theatre. बेल बजी, फिल्म थिएटर की बेल बजी और टाइम हो गया था, शो स्टार्ट होने वाला था. और उसने बताया कि उसके लाइफ में रिफॉर्म जो हुआ है, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ ओल्गा, इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ सर्जी. So this is the end of your chapter. So through this chapter or the story, we learned a lesson that if we are noble or kind to any of the beggar or begging person, we can reform their life, we can change their life. Giving beggings or alms to anyone doesn't mean you can improve their standard or you help them. You are showing only दया दिखाते हो. दया का दिखाने का ये मतलब नहीं कि by providing them some money makes you that you have done something for that people. No, that is not. अगर आप किसी को सच में बदलना चाहते हो तो उसमें दया करने के नहीं, उसके लिए सच में कुछ करना है, तब जाके उसकी लाइफ चेंज होगी. अगर आपने उसको थोड़े पल के लिए मान लो किसी की आपने हेल्प करी और फिर छोड़ दिया तो उसकी लाइफ बीच में से और भी बर्बाद हो जाती है, बर्बाद हो जाती. ऐसा होता कई बार. I am giving my example that when I have joined a teaching session, when I have joined to this career, I help 5 students, poor students. I give them books, then also their fees, at least 2 years I have given. After that, due to some or the other problems, I am unable to give all those things. And what happened after 5 years, that 5 children were going on a wrong path. I have seen on my own eyes. जब मैंने उन 5 बच्चों की हेल्प करी थी, सोचा था मैं ये टारगेट लगे थे कि हर एक इंसान 5-5 बच्चे की हेल्प करेगा, तो 5 बच्चे की मैंने भी हेल्प की थी. मैंने उनको बुक्स, उनके फीस, यूनिफॉर्म, बैग, सब कुछ चीज 2 साल तक प्रोवाइड की. उसके बाद कुछ रीजन की वजह से मैं भी कुछ कट ऑफ हो गई, कुछ मैंने दिया, कभी देते थे कभी नहीं देते थे, लाइक दैट. फिर 5 साल के बाद जब मुलाकात हुई तो वो बच्चे गलत रास्ते पे जा चुके. मुझे बहुत खराब लगा. आई फील वेरी बैड कि मेरी इच्छा थी कि मैं उनकी मदद करती हूँ, लेकिन मेरे ही कारण से आज वो रॉन्ग ट्रैक पे चले. अगर हम किसी की हेल्प करते हैं तो उसको छोड़े नहीं हम जब तक कि उसमें चेंजेस नहीं आ जाए. अगर हम उन्हें बीच में ही छोड़ देते हैं तो उनकी लाइफ स्पॉइल हो जाती है. तो किसी भीख देने का मतलब ये नहीं कि किसी पर आप दया दिखा रहे हो, इसका मतलब नहीं कि आप उसकी हेल्प कर रहे हो. नहीं, उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए उसे चेंज करना बहुत जरूरी होता है. In our city also you have seen many beggars are there. Many people are sitting on the roadside, in the railway platform and many more. Every day they are asking for begging like that. वो लोग सक्षम हैं, वो लोग स्वयं काम कर सकते हैं, लेकिन करना नहीं चाहते क्योंकि उन्हें दूसरे पर डिपेंड होना आदत सी होगी. उन लोगों को हम चेंज कर सकते हैं, बस उनमें जो इच्छा थी काम करने की वो खत्म हो चुकी है. दैट स्पिरिट वी शुड हैव टू ग्रो. हमें वो स्पिरिट सिर्फ पैदा करना है. So in the story, the beggar, the Sergei and the cook Olga played a vital role to reform the beggar Lashkov, completely change his life. He can able to stand on his own feet. That is very important. So through this story, we learned a lesson that we can help anyone. Okay, we can change or reform any bad person to a good one. It is up to us and how we can help them. Okay, so this is all about your chapter. I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be clear to you.